Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in east central Alabama, southern Cleburne County in east central Alabama, Clay County in east central Alabama, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weaver to near Munford to near Alpine, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Heflin, Linville, Ashland, Wedowee, Lake Wedowee, Wadley, Cleburne, Edwardsville, Woodland, Malone, Morrison Crossroads, Barfield, Corinth, Abernathy, Foster's Crossroads, Delta, Crystal Lake, Mount Kia, and Graham. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.